Hello children, hope you're revising your lessons well. So today is the third episode of Know Your English Lessons based on the focus area of SSLC English Reader, the 20-day challenge. So the challenge of the third day is profile writing. In this video, we'll discuss 3 profiles and we'll see how we can write them. Okay, you should practice more profiles when you get time. Profile writing is a very important question for your SSLC examination. It is a question which carries 6 marks. So if you write a profile properly without making any mistakes, you can score more marks with the least effort. Okay, so let's move on to the profiles. Here the first question I have given is the profile of Ruskin Bond. Let's see how the question is framed. Prepare a short profile of Ruskin Bond using the hints given below. So the hints will be given below and based on those hints, you have to prepare the profile. So I'll just read through the hints, just follow them as I read. Birth, May 19, 1934, Kasauli, India. Education, Bishop Cotton School, Shimla. Famous as author, poet. Works, first novel, The Room on the Roof. First children's book, The Angry River. Short story collection, As Trees Still Grow in Dera. Awards, John Llewellyn Rhys Prize 1957, Sahitya Academy Award 1992, Padma Shri 1999, Lifetime Achievement Award 2017. These are the hints given for your question. Now let's see how we can prepare the profile. First you have to write the heading, like the name of the author about whom we are preparing the profile. So the name of Ruskin Bond is written in bold letters in the middle of the paragraph. Okay, then we'll begin the paragraph by leaving a little space before we write. Okay, a little space from the margin is left. That's how you write a paragraph. And make sure that you use capital letters while you begin a particular sentence, and if it is a name, be sure that you begin the name with a capital letter. Okay, so here I have written Ruskin Bond is an eminent contemporary Indian writer of British descent. Okay, so that point is not given in the hints, but then it is there in your textbook. So it is taken from the textbook. You can write like this. Ruskin Bond is just to give an introduction to the author. Ruskin Bond is an eminent contemporary Indian writer of British descent. Okay, then you can move on and write, he was born on May 19, 1934 at Kasauli in India. He was educated at. Okay, when you write the education of a particular writer, you have to use at. He was educated at Bishop Cotton School, Shimla. He is a famous writer and poet. He wrote his first novel, The Room on the Roof, at the age of 17. He got John Llewellyn Rhys Prize in 1957. His first children's, all of them are separated. In the hints, you are given it together, but then when you write it in sentences, you can separate them. Okay, his first children's book was The Angry River. In 1992, he received the Sahitya Academy Award for his short story collection, Our Trees Still Grow in Dera. He was awarded the Padma Shri in 1999 for his contributions to children's literature. He was honored with the Lifetime Achievement Award in 2017. This is how the profile of Ruskin Bond is prepared. Now let's look at the second question. Prepare a profile of Vaikom Muhammad Bashir using the hints given below. Actually, the hints given there are very simple hints. Let's look at the hints first. Name, Vaikom Muhammad Bashir. Place, Talayola-Paramba, Kerala. Birth, 1908. Famous as freedom fighter, short story writer and novelist. Notable works, Balyakala Sagi, Shabdangal, Madilugal and Pathumayude Aada. Award mentioned there is Padma Shri in 1982. Death, 1994. Now let's look at the way the profile is written. As we mentioned in the earlier profile, we have to write the heading, that is the name of the author or the poet, whoever it is. We have to write it in the center of the paragraph. Then we begin the paragraph. Vaikom Muhammad Bashir was born in 1908. Look at the difference. When you have only the year mentioned in the hints, you write in. Before the year, we keep in, and before the date, if there is a date, you keep on. Okay, so here we have only the year mentioned, so we keep in, at Talayolaparamba in Kerala. Okay, at Talayolaparamba. If the place is a very specific spot, like we say Chittagara or Pavatti, you can say at. Okay, and if it's a state or a country as a whole, you keep in before that. He was a freedom fighter, novelist, and short story writer. His notable works include, that's the way you write, his notable works include Balyakala Sakhi, Shabdangal, Pathumayude Aadu, and Madilugal. He was awarded the Padma Shri in 1982. He passed away in 1994. When you write the profile, these are the things that you have to keep in mind. You needn't write a very lengthy profile, but all you need to know is you have to keep the appropriate linkers at the appropriate places. Appropriate prepositions and appropriate words should be used while you're writing the profile. Now let's look at the third question. Prepare a short profile of Satyajit Ray using the hints given below. Born May 2nd, 1921, Kolkata. Known as Indian filmmaker, famous as writer, producer, screenwriter, lyricist and composer. Awards: Academy Honorary Award and Bharat Ratna. Education at Vishwabharati University, Presidency University, Bali Gunche Government High School. Died April 23, 1992, Kolkata. Let's see how the profile is written. Satyajit Ray, as we mentioned in the earlier profiles, it should be there or as a heading. Okay, then we begin the paragraph. Satyajit Ray. Here we have put a comma and we have written the renowned film director. Okay, Satyajit Ray, the renowned film director. You can also say the renowned Indian filmmaker. That's a word given in the hints. So you can write like that. Satyajit Ray, the renowned film director or Indian filmmaker, also can be written, was born on 2nd May. This is the thing that I mentioned in the earlier profile. Like when you give the when you're given the date, you have to put on before that. Okay, so on 2nd May 1921 in Kolkata. He was known as a filmmaker. He was famous as a writer, producer, screenwriter, lyricist and composer. He was honored with the Academy Honorary Award and Bharat Ratna. He was educated at Bali Gunche Government High School, Vishwabharati University and Presidency University, Kolkata. He passed away on April 23, 1992 in Kolkata. Okay? Hope all of you understood how we can write profiles. Practice more questions if you get time. Okay? Thank you.